Hi, let's start with the new chapter, Stoichiometry. This is the calculation chapter. So you only have to remember 3 formulas. Very easy. So number 1, n equals to m over mr. Number 2, n equals to v over 24. And number 3, n equals to mv over 1000. Capital M on top. So what's the difference? Look at number 1. Whenever they ask for grams, use n equals to m over mr. The mr at the bottom is the relative mass or the molar mass. So the small n is number of moles. Then number 2, when they ask for volume of gas, use the second formula. The big V is volume of gas and over 24 dm cube. So make sure on top is dm cube also. So 1 dm cube is 1000 cm cube. And sometimes they require to change the 24 to 22.4, but very seldom in your exam. So the third will be for concentration. So when you see a capital M, or when you see in the question mole per dm cube, remember this formula. So it's concentration usually for acid and alkali questions. If you see, and you will have to use this formula. The V on top is in cm cube. So it's the volume of solution. So n equals to mv over 1000 is very useful when concentration questions are involved. So once you have these 3 formulas, you can convert and find mass. You just times over n times mr is actually equals to the mass in grams. And if they ask for volume of gas, you just times over n times 24. And when they ask for molarity or concentration, just rearrange the formula n times 1000 divided by V. So remember, capital M is mole per dm cube. So whenever you see this unit, recall this formula.